My name is Eric Alexander with the Clark County Highway Department. We're going to show you how to fill a pothole with EZ Street Asphalt. First of all, we're going to clean the debris out of the pothole. We can also leave the water in there. Okay, our next step now, after we got the debris out, we'll bring the truck over to fill the hole in with EZ Street Asphalt. Now that we've got the hole filled with the EZ Street Asphalt, we need to have a 2-inch lip, and then we're going to get the compactor over here and compact it down and get it level with the road. And that's how we fill a pothole with EZ Street Asphalt with the Clark County Highway Department. EZ Street, showing potholes who's boss.